cut this cake part like this or like this?
Triangle.
Okay. Like this?
Yeah.
Where can we use this logic? Let's figure it out. So, what's the area of a triangle? I have this triangle here. As you can see, this is a right angle triangle, which means it has one 90-degree angle. So, here is the base and here is the height. So what's the area? Well, it's 1/2 times base times height. Like we said before, in the equation we have 1/2. But why 1/2? Why not 1/3 or 3/4 or any other number than 1/2? What's special about 1/2? Let's decode it. Let's understand the importance of 1/2 in the equation for area of triangle. As you saw before, I have this right angle triangle. If I want to make it a square, I need two triangles. Like we saw in the beginning, we use two triangles to make a square. What's the area of square? As all sides are the same, it is side multiplied by side, so side squared. But here we're going to say base times height, as we're using two triangles to make a square. The base is 4 inches and the height is 4 inches. So 4 times 4 is 16 inches squared. However, do we really need that much? No, we're trying to find the area of the triangle, not the square. So we only need half of the area of a square. So that's the reason the area of a triangle equation has half, as we're taking half of the square to make one triangle. You might be saying, this logic is true for squares, but does this logic hold for rectangles? Let's find out. Here, we're using a right angle triangle that has a different base and height. But how many such triangles do we need to make a perfect rectangle? Well, we need 2. The formula of finding the area of rectangle is base times height. But do we really need the entire area of this rectangle? No, we need area of one triangle, which is 1/2 of this rectangle. So our logic for this triangle does work. Let's do something a bit harder. Let's try this logic with a more complicated triangle, like an obtuse triangle. An obtuse triangle is a triangle that has one angle greater than 90 degrees. Here, I have one obtuse triangle, but we need two triangles to make a square or rectangle. So let's take two obtuse triangles. Oh, but here, we're not getting a square or rectangle, we're getting a parallelogram. So what could we do in this situation? You can see that with these lines, we already have a rectangle. But what about this one? Let's cut this. We can move this over here. And look at that. We have a rectangle. Pause. Now that we know the base and height, we can find the area of the rectangle. But again, we only want half of the area for the triangle's area. So once again, this logic of using 1/2 in the area of triangles formula holds true.
Oh, that's too much.
Well, I know it's a bit complicated, but you'll learn it after some time.
Didi, can we just eat the cake?
Okay. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, please do make sure to subscribe to our channel, Ask, Apply Scientific Knowledge. Bye.